We're now ready for the North East section. So Steve, if you could draw the home teams. Penaford. We'll play at home to Coedpoeth United. Sychtin. Versus Argoed United. Eulo Spartans. Versus Lex Glyndŵr. FC Penley. We'll play Brickfield Rangers. Greenfield. We'll play Overton Recreational. Raw Stuffton versus AFC Brynford. Brumbo will play Halkin United. Saltney Town will play Queen's Park. Kevin Albion will play Llanuwchlyn. Llangollen Town will play Lye Miners Welfare. Aston Park will play Llandurnog United. And Caiawys will play Castell Allen Colts. And that concludes the North East section of the Welsh Cup draw.